car is so neglected and dirty. Look at that black roof. Doesn't even look black anymore. Battery's dead. I'm gonna have to jump start it. Alright guys, so we ended up pulling the whole entire engine harness. Disconnected the whole entire thing. We disconnected these two plugs right here and this box that you're not supposed to remove, but who cares. And then there's gonna be two cables. This one and another one that looks like this. There's two of these and they connect here. So I just put the screws back in, I disconnected all of it, and the battery and everything. Now the whole harness should go out with the engine. Alright you guys, so the engine's ready to come out. We just need the engine hoist and it's all ready to come out. Axles are disconnected, fuel lines. I left for work. If you guys know me personally, my buddies, you know that I travel for work and shit. So while I was gone for the week, my buddy finished it up for me. And he finished everything, so it's literally ready to come out. And probably in the next clip, you'll see it coming out right now. But yeah, this is it. Everything is connected. Next up, we'll be connecting everything onto the new motor. This is Omar's build over here. He just pulled his motor too. I think he just put it back in though. But 1200 horsepower. Shit's crazy. All-wheel drive. So he's about to go to his house and get another chain because we don't have enough chain to pull the motor, and then he's gonna pull it out. It's mad late, so I'm going home, but
it's coming out tonight.
He's gonna record and take over.
I can't tell you the secrets.
I just wanna. All right, so we finally got the motor pulled out. Everything looks. This is what 112,000 I think I had on it. I can't remember. I think 112,000. But we need to start taking all this off. The oil pan. I'm gonna have to put this on an engine mount so we can take the head off and all the wiring stuff and transfer it all over to the new block. And I'm thinking about painting this red, the valve cover all wrinkle red, to go with the new block. But we also have to take the transmission off and separate that from the block as well, so we can start working on it. And I have new clutch and flywheel at home that we have to put on. So we're just gonna start disassembling it and putting stuff onto this new block. So we're just gonna open this up and start transferring everything over. We have the brand new block. You guys will see in next video, everything will be getting transferred over. This is gonna be in a couple videos because this is honestly a lot of work, at least for me, because I've never done this before. But I wanted to show you guys because in the video of me unboxing my engine, I didn't fully open the plastic really, at least from what I remember. So here she is. Yeah. It's just crazy seeing the engine out when it was just running last week. And here is the L15 V7, you guys. So my catch can, lines, manifold. Might possibly get the Skunk 2 manifold too. I'm thinking about that, but we'll see. I don't know. So I'm gonna start with taking this oil pan off. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the more videos that are coming soon, because as you can see, this is gonna be a whole series. We have plenty of more videos coming, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. And that'll be it for today.